Yes, this is the morning at the village in Bangladesh. He is my personal and very, very close cameraman. Excuse me, would you say something about yourself and about my channels? Please say, please.
I don't know.
Oh, he has don't know anything about our history, but he know, but he feel ashamed to be say something. So don't worry. This is the nice wow, and this is his father-in-law's house, law's field, and that's why he feel ashamed in the time. Ah, it's a great time.
ব্লগটা চালু করা দেখে কিছু কইলাম না।
Why not? You should say something here. Wow,
Your father-in-law.
this is the great time. Wow, but we feel the cold on this moment. Wow, আমাদের দুইজন বিখ্যাত জাতি, there is come here. তুই আবার লোকে গেছি